Hi all, welcome to another video. This is not from the series of 100 days of DevOps journey, but it is mostly because that 100 days of DevOps journey is not for like absolute beginners. This is something different, but you can consider it because most of the things are required in DevOps, so we can include this. But this is not a part. We can include the further videos for this one as well as 100 days of DevOps journey. I know it is right now. I am like the video frequency is very less. uh, I think almost once a month I'm posting any video, but I'm trying to provide you like something that is more valuable, and I'm trying, my aim is to provide you like provide you the context where what you can do, what you have to do after you become like after you get a certificate, after you get a training. So what is beyond that? Okay, what is required beyond that? That is what I'm trying to aim in this series in my videos. It is not for 100 days of DevOps is not for absolute beginners. They have to do something. That's why I didn't have started with basic videos of like AWS or any other cloud, because you can find those tutorials all over the YouTube. It is freely available. It is just it requires effort to find them. Okay, find them and follow them. So there are there are so many brilliant content creators that you can follow. So it is not uh, like, if you want to do it, you can just search for it and start with it. Okay, so if I just search DevOps, okay, so here you can find. So this video is very this particular video is very much interesting. Okay, let me just so you can find it over here.
ऑपरेशंस डिपार्टमेंट के बीच के इंटरसेक्शन को कहा गया है। अब वैसे तो ये दोनों डिपार्टमेंट्स टेक्नोलॉजी से बन के बाहर निकले और यूजर तक पहुंच पाए। हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं आपकी श्रद्धा दीदी एंड वेलकम टू
So
अपना कॉलेज। आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम
this
डिटेल
is
में
a
बहुत ही
very
आसानी से डिस्कस
simple
करने
and
वाले हैं कि
easy to understand
टेक्नोलॉजी के
video.
अंदर डेवऑप्स शब्द का मतलब क्या होता है। अब जब भी हम डेवलपमेंट कर रहे होते हैं या इन जनरल अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ खेल रहे होते हैं तो बहुत सारे ऐसे टर्म्स हैं जो हमें बीच में सुनाई देते हैं। इनमें से एक टर्म डेवऑप्स या डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर भी हो सकता है। अब डेवऑप्स सुनते ही हमारे दिमाग में आता है कि क्या ये कोई टूल है क्या, या ये कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसको मुझे इंस्टॉल करके सीखना होता है तब मैं डेवऑप्स।
So you can find multiple contents over here. Okay, so we have this particular video. Okay, and we have like Hitesh Chaudhary is one of the great content creator on this technology and IT industry. So you can find him over here. Then this Neeraj Walia is a snippet guy. This one Mosh, this is a complete roadmap, so you can check it. Okay, Mosh, this programming with Mosh, this is a great channel. And if you want to like, this is the certification exam. I wouldn't like, I use it for preparing for my certifications and everything. But you can find a lot of content over here. Okay, this is like IntelliPet, it is also great. So first of all, rather than going for a paid content, okay, go for like this free code camp. Free code camp is like the university. Okay, university for soft IT and software engineers. Okay, so you can just go find like any topic. I don't think there is any topic that has been missed by free code camp that is involved in the computer science or IT industry or software development. Everything is covered in this free code camp. They have a vast like um, vast what we can say knowledge base and everything. So what is DevOps? You can understand this. Tech World with Nana. So this channel I also refer it for some of the tools and other things. Like here you can see Istio Service Mesh. Then it is a very crisp and concise videos about yet they have some details. So you can try some of these videos. Code with Harry. This is also a great channel. Okay. So these are some of the channels that I refer myself. And for networking, you can anyway use this network chuck. Okay, network chuck. So again, yeah, this. And they also have like started their, I think CCNA or some of the one of the video series they have launched. So it is a great content over here, and it is a free tutorial also available. Okay, so try it out. Okay, now see computer networking course. So this is a vast course over here. Okay, so their content is so much that is available on YouTube. And we have LinkedIn, we have Medium, free articles. It is just require your effort. Okay, it requires your effort that will take you beyond no one wants average guy. Okay, no one wants average. Okay, like if mediocrity, average is also fine, but no one wants mediocrity. Okay, because if you are mediocre, there is a chance like you will be the one who get laid off as so like whenever they find what we can say, whenever they think it is time to let people go. Okay, so here I have created one of the repository fast track DevOps training plan. So it is mostly for self learners. Okay, if you really want, because in past in past month I have been asked, I have been reached out by multiple people, multiple on LinkedIn and on my personal DMs, and like in my friend circle, or reference through my friends and everything. So they ask me, how could I get? I have this certification, I have done this, I have done that. Okay, I have this much of experience, or I want to switch domain. I want to get into DevOps and everything. I have created a this is a training plan which I felt like I felt myself like it would be a great what we can say great thing, great learning. Okay, so you can check it out. It is a 3 months or 12 weeks plan. Okay, and it has I have like not just the tech tools, not just the technical skills, but I have I wouldn't say that I have like I'm the only one that has designed it. There are multiple other people, but you can find it like you can obviously refer their courses as well. But it has like also covered. I also have like posted here the soft skill part as well, and action plan. Basically, it is an action plan. Okay, so what you can do, so I'll just give you a quick overview. This is for like those who wants to begin their career in DevOps, or they want to like they want to switch their domain from something else to DevOps. Okay, or because tech world is all about skills. Okay, it doesn't require like degree. Uh, Degree is not needed, but it is good to have, but it is not like must have thing. Okay, so you can anyway try it out. So that is one thing you can check. So let's just start with it. I'll just provide you a quick brief introduction about this particular DevOps thing. Okay, so what you can find over here is first of all this it is a fast track plan. Okay, so you can like if you are a student, if you are like on bench, if you are on what we can say if you are like currently unemployed. Okay, or you have plenty, basically you have plenty of time, so you can follow this structure. Okay, so it will definitely benefit you. At least it will provide you where to start from. Okay, so let's just jump into it. So this fast track training program, it is for 12 weeks, and we have first of all DevOps and Linux fundamental. What you need to cover? Okay, this is Linux, CLI, Ubuntu. I have created some of the videos myself. Okay, so you can check them out, but they are most likely what we can say most likely for here if you go. We have wait a minute. Mm, okay, so here you can find the videos that I have posted over here. So you can find like what is DevOps, what are the prerequisite introduction, and Linux system administration, operating, what is operating system, how it is like, why it is required, what are the purpose here, setting up the VM, some of the Linux commands and everything. Then networking essentials for DevOps. Okay, then we have like it is just a okay recap video. It has only it is a brief introduction. Then we have this GitHub. So I have covered like very what is the application of this particular tool, technology, and everything. So you can find it. So Linux is one of the must thing that you should learn. Linux or any operating system, mostly Linux, because Linux it has like multiple troubleshooting. If you want to run a web server, a container engine, a Kubernetes cluster. Okay, and there are like multiple different applications. So you need to switch to Linux. Linux has a good it is secure. It is more secure than Windows Server. It has it is more optimized. Okay, it is uh, so Linux is like very quick to perform thing. Okay, it is a very good operating system and very optimized for operational workloads. Again, if we move forward here, we have bash scripting, and then I would say learn Python scripting as well. Python is very easy to learn language. You don't have to like it is basically write English. Okay, coding in English. Okay, there is nothing much. I have like I'm not a great programmer over here. I have like I don't have put much effort on the programming side. Okay, though I have learned like C, C++, then this one Java I also have tried, and then there is Python. JavaScript is also one of the things that I'm currently working on. JavaScript and Go. Okay, Go is mostly required like for some kind of it is a compiled language for DevOps engineers, so you can use it. It is a very powerful language as well, so that you can use. So I haven't put much effort into the coding part, like especially for Java and others. But Python is what I like. It is we can quickly write code and easy to understand and everything. So you can use that. Okay. Then there is Git and GitHub. So this is a very essential tool. Okay. This is a very essential tool. Okay. For each of the for any of the DevOps engineer, you should know what are the like Git events, how are they integrated to each other. Okay. What are the branching strategies? How are PR being raised, PR reviewed, how to trigger. Even if you want to learn CI/CD pipeline, you have to learn GitHub. Okay, so this is a must tool and technology for you, and it's called source control management. Then networking is not like you have to be a CCNA or hardware and networking configuration, what we can say, maestro. Okay, but you need to learn like how to troubleshoot a network, how to check network access logs. Okay, so there are multiple things that you need to check. Okay, you need to have. So here are some of the basic projects that you can build over in your personal GitHub repo. I have I have created multiple projects, though they are not what we can say, uh, like I don't code that much, but this is the latest one, and this is a Azure Data Engineering training guide. So this is a work in progress. 3-tier web application is still it is I have created under, I think, our 100 days of DevOps journey, but it is still pending as of now. So I'll continue to build on this one. But yeah, we have the directory structure ready for what need to be done in future. Okay, then yeah, this is done. This is completed. This is I'll provide some reference over here. So I have, if you might have seen my videos, so I have used GitHub runner. Okay, user management. Then there is somewhere over here I have created CI/CD pipeline with Terraform. I think here in one of the video I have created this particular repository, gh runner docker. So it is a GitHub runner which is containerized, and you just have to, you know, you just have to start this. Okay, this is the Terraform module. Okay, docker file start.sh and everything. So you just have to check this docker compose, and you can start it out. You just have to start this docker compose, and it will create a containerized runner for you. I don't know if no, I have formatted my system. So yeah, GitHub runner. This is running. Oh my god, this is yeah, this is running as of now. So I have created two runners with me. So even if I go to I think on the this particular repo and go to my actions, then yeah, runners. Yeah. Okay, so you'll find these two runners, self-hosted runners. Under self-hosted runners, you'll find these two runners. Okay, so two runners available. See, uh, here you can find it. So these are the two runners that are running as of now on, yeah, this one, and then this particular runner. Okay, these two runners are still running. So these are some of the mini projects that you can build, and I guarantee you, like, if you have something like this created by created by yourself. Okay, like Terraform, Azure, I have been creating QADM script. There are multiple things. You can build your own repo, and wherever required in whichever company you go. Okay, the DevOps concept would be the same. Okay, if you create some kind of module and push it on Terraform, you can use it. If there is like Ansible roles that you have created, you can push it on Ansible Galaxy. Okay, so it will always benefit you. No effort would go to waste. Okay, so just start doing things. Okay, don't wait if okay, someone would come and tell me like, okay, you have to do this. No one would come. Okay, just start exploring yourself. Right now, I don't know, multiple people are reaching out to me for some guidance. I'm not that much of a career expert or anything, but I have uh, there was no one to guide me. Okay, no one to guide means like uh, no one to tell me what to do next. I started exploring, and I find my interest, and I have explored it. Yeah, I do have reached out to people, and they have helped me. Okay, they have helped me a lot. But first of all, I have to find my interest and take effort to reach out to them. There are people that are still in contact with me, like from 10 years back, 10 uh, from the companies that I have worked, from the like for the freelance clients. Okay, ex colleagues, they are still in my contact, and it is like a ecosystem. Whenever I need any help, I reach out to them. Whenever they need any help, they reach out to me. Okay, so that kind of a ecosystem, you need to build yourself. You need to at least reach out, ask for help, and show something, show some dedication over here. So this is I think would be completed in 1 to 2 weeks, 1 to 2 weeks. Okay, it is a plentiful time for Linux, Git, and networking. Okay, so you can try it out. Then this is cloud, container, and CI/CD. So this is the intermediate part. Okay, this is the what we can say. Uh, this is the part that holds you uh, like a thread through the beats. Okay, okay, this cloud, container, and CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD is literally the connecting part. All these tools like networking, Linux, networking operating system, and cloud platform. Okay, everything is connected through this CI/CD pipeline. So what you can start with, like free tier AWS. AWS is like free tier application. You can anyway try it with what we can say Azure. You can try it with GCP. Okay, they all of the major cloud providers they have some free tier plan available for students and learners. Okay, so you can try it first time. Then there is Docker images. So even not just for the DevOps engineer, even for the developers, Docker is most important thing, because developer knows how their application would run, what are the dependencies it requires, what is the environmental requirement that are essential for their application to run. Okay, so if developer knows how to build Docker file, okay, how to build Docker images, they know there how much like how much what we can say there is storage complexity, time complexity. Okay, there are multiple different things. Then resource consumption, resource optimization. So they know how much their application would require, how much their program would require in the real runtime. So they can program their they can containerize the application. And if it is required for DevOps engineers, Docker is basically a DevOps tool. Okay, used to containerize and provide a what we can say isolated environment, isolated and what we can say standardized environment. Okay, so you can take Docker or any container platform, any you can take containerization from uh, the basic containerization to a security level. Okay, there are golden images, there are entry points, there are security, application security, then data security, infosec. So many things can be done inside the Docker. Docker is the basic building component of what we can say currently it is a basic building components of a microservice based uh, application. Okay, then Terraform, when you are learning cloud, you should be like preparing for how to install, provision, EC2, S3. So these are very basic things. Okay, so you can at least start with it. This is completely for the beginners. Okay, then we have CI/CD, GitHub Actions, Jenkins intro. Okay, you can use these components. Okay, these are the binding material. This is the binding material for all the components that we have learned till yet. So deploy an EC2 instance using Terraform. So you will uh, use EC2 and Terraform. Then try to configure that EC2 using Ansible. I haven't included, probably I have not included Ansible over here, but Ansible is also uh, is a IAC tool. Okay, Terraform can also be used for this configuration management. Okay, so that is also a good tool, Terraform. But Terraform is mostly I have used, at least I have used it for cloud resource provisioning. Okay, not for the this. I have used it for configuration management as well. There are some of the mod modules modules or so I it is not I'm not able to recall it right now, but I have used Terraform for configuration management. I think around 6 years ago, 5 to 6 years ago, yeah, something like that. Then you can build a project like CI pipeline test, build Dockerize push. Okay, so run unit tests. Then if the unit test we can do SAST testing. We can do unit testing. We can build, then containerize, then push. Okay, these are some of the. This is a very basic project. You can create your own program. Then there is Kubernetes Helm and monitoring. So Kubernetes is like for microservice architecture. Kubernetes is the absolute, as of now, Kubernetes is the absolute ground. If you can find it. Okay, absolute platform for deploying. Now OpenShift is also very popular, but it is also developed on Kubernetes itself. Okay, so it would be very beneficial if you learn Kubernetes. Then there is Helm. Helm is just like Terraform for Kubernetes. Okay, so if you have you have to reuse some kind of infrastructure, some kind of microservice workloads to multiple Kubernetes cluster. So you can use Helm charts. So Helm chart template file and everything. So you can use this. There is I think Pulumi something. Pulumi. Lumi. Lumi, yes. Infrastructure as code, any in any programming language. Okay, so this is also is used. So Pulumi is I have like explored it a little. So you can find docs, IAC, IDP inside Pulumi Cloud. You can write so similar to Terraform. It is also like used over here, Kubernetes and Pulumi. So yeah, so you can try it out. So we have like Kubernetes Helm monitoring. So you can try it out like monitoring Prometheus Grafana. Prometheus Grafana is a very well-known tool. Then there is Splunk, there is Elasticstack. If you know how to configure Elasticsearch, so Elasticsearch is not only required for the monitoring purpose, it is also required for we have used it. It is mostly a database, database or what we can say Elasticsearch. Okay, so Elasticsearch is a distributed RESTful search system. So we have used it for we have created a search engine of uh, for ourselves. It is way back in our college. So we have used Elasticsearch behind the scene for maintaining the query and everything. Built on this Apache Lucene engine used for storing, indexing, and searching vast amount of data. So it is used in data science. It is used in some kind of what we can say, like I have said, search engine, vector database. Okay, query the database. So Elasticsearch is well known and like vastly used tool. You can try it out. Elasticsearch, ELK stack, and everything. Then secrets, how to use like this Keycloak, Azure Vault, HashiCorp Vault. Okay, sealed secrets, and you also have secrets in this. Uh, Here also you can save the secrets and variables. Okay, code space secrets, dependabots. Okay, so these are the secrets that you can maintain, manage. Okay, so there are multiple things. Okay, so yeah, here is then deploy an app with Helm monitor. Yeah, you can deploy you can create a Kubernetes cluster like minikube cluster in your local system, and you can directly use Helm charts to deploy like monitoring setup with this Prometheus Grafana and alert manager. So it will be like it will look good. Okay, then DevSecOps and GitOps. So these are the advanced tools, we can say. These are the advanced stage of DevOps, but it is required. So we have this SCA. Okay, source code, static code analysis, to check whether the code is built with the proper uh, standard practices, best practice, industry best practices. Okay, so what tools are there? Treevee, Sonar Cloud, CodeQL, then Sneak. Okay, so these are some of the tools that I have worked on. Treevee, Sonar Cloud, and this Sneak I have worked a lot. Then there is container image scanning. So we have to check for vulnerabilities, whether the container is if there is some vulnerabilities in the container engine, then secure CI/CD pipeline, like how to manage secrets into pipeline. Okay, then there are some of the like code container image signing. Okay, so we have to sign, yeah, this artifact signing, image scan, secret scan. Okay, like if if to check whether any secret or critical data is hard coded into code or something, so that we have to check. Then GitOps. So Argo CD, like Argo CD, how would you GitOps is basically, first of all you need to know Git completely. Okay, so uh, if you know Git, how to control, how to manage, like what event are triggered, what are the different things that you need to set up. Okay, so these are some of the basic steps. uh, these are some of the basic tools that you should know. Okay, secure GitHub Actions pipeline, like I have shared, there are like secrets over here. Okay, if you go just here, and we have secrets, deploy keys. Okay, then GitHub action secrets, you have you can create. Okay, environment secrets, variables. So there are multiple different things that you can create. I might have created someone. Okay, no, there are no secrets as of now, at least for Azure Terraform. Okay, so here settings, we have to go like into deploy keys. No, deploy keys, not deploy keys. Variables, actions. Yeah, so here I have saved AWS access key, AWS secret key. Okay, so these you can save over here. So you don't have to like I don't know. Yeah, you cannot see this. You can just update it. You can just provide a new one, and yeah, that's it. No one can see this once you have saved. Okay, so these are the secret management things that you need to work on. Yeah, you need to be uh, secure GitHub Actions pipeline, deploy app via Argo CD. Okay, and then there is this capstone and branding, so end-to-end pipeline. So you can create Terraform, GitHub action. Like I have uh, in my videos, if you can see, I have told about like Terraform, then integration with Terraform, GitHub actions, and apply it. Okay, so you can also try something like that. Then record a walkthrough video over YouTube or anywhere, okay, on LinkedIn or anything. Write Medium blogs. Okay, so this would be like sh- showcasing your skills. Okay, this would be the skill showcasing for you. So unless you showcase your skills, there no one would know that you have that much of knowledge. You might be like, unless you are like black hat hacker. I don't know if you guys have seen this robot series. It is Mr. Robot. It is a very good series. Okay, Mr. Robot. So this guy, this particular guy, this is the character in that series. So he stays anonymous. Okay, completely anonymous. He works for a cyber security firm. Okay, but under the hood he is like a what we can say, this cyber vigilante kind of. You can find it. So it is a very good series. You can you if you are interested in like tech and stuff, you must watch it. Hacking and anything. So this is a very good series that you can check on. So unless you want to like, but he still have to like give interviews, work somewhere. Okay, so these soft skills are required for you. Like in actual corporate, when you land a job, okay, those who are already working, they know exactly what is required. So you have to create like uh, you have everything should be well documented. Okay, when you go into enterprise, not just enterprise, in medium to small and medium companies also, everything should be documented, because your memory, it is not a storage device. Your brain is not a storage device, it is a processing device. Okay, and it tends to forget something. So when there is things that are documented, you can refer to them. And if anything, any instance like reoccurs, any event reoccurs, you can anyway go back, refer to that, and follow the same steps. Okay, so documentation, these are some of the soft skills that are required. Then you have to update. There is this work items, tickets that that has been assigned to you in like Scrum Agile boards. Okay, so these are, how would you update them? Okay, how would you? So also, and one more thing that I would say over here, those who are like freshers, or they are working for around 1 2 years. Okay, they might have faced their reviews. Okay, they have seen their reviews. So when they go for their appraisals or reviews, okay, they don't have like their SWOT analysis is not done. Okay, SWOT analysis, you can search it out for if you are a beginner. SWOT analysis. So what is SWOT analysis? This strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. You should know well about yourself. Your SWOT analysis should be with you at the time of appraisal. Okay, and what are what are the what we can say, what are skill enhancement, what are the what involvement that you have shown, what ownership initiatives. Okay, then what are the mistakes that you have made, and how did you overcome them. So these are some of the very essential skills. Okay, for it is required in corporate. Otherwise they would just, you will feel like exploited. Okay, and I have learned it a hard way. So that's why I'm just showing it to you. I'm just talking about it. So learn to show your work, learn to show your skill. Okay, take initiatives, be proactive. So these are some of the, don't wait for someone to tell and then you do. So because no one wants like uh, if you ask every time, okay, what to do, what not to do, okay, why, what need to be done, they will say, okay, this guy always requires some kind of instruction. He can't do, or she can't do anything by their own. So they lose their interest. Okay, so don't be like that. Don't be a sheep, be a herd. I'm not talking in like some kind of be a, what we can say, shepherd. So don't be a sheep, be like a shepherd. So drive things your own way. But still in corporate you have to like you have to follow the but take initiative, take things like take ownership, take initiative, and everything. Apart from this, for like beginners and for others, like they are, if they are feeling like stuck, so what you can do here, LinkedIn strategy that I follow, not completely, but this is a well renowned what we can say, um, LinkedIn branding strategy. How would you showcase your skills? Okay, so first, like if I show my LinkedIn profile, I don't know, I haven't been like Update. I haven't updated. Yeah, I have provided a recent post over here. Uh, okay, so you should have some kind of this headlines. Okay, this kind of headlines. I have recently updated, recently acquired this certification. I have yet I have not updated my banner, but I'll update it soon. I have to create this image from Canva. Then I have AWS certification, Red Hat certification. Now Google certification is also I have. I worked in InfoSec. I have worked in DevSecOps. These are this is my a little about myself, like what I have been working on. Okay, it is quite large. Maybe someone might not have their interest. Okay, so interest to read, but I have done something. So why shouldn't I tell? So then, what are the services that I have worked on? What are different? What are different? What we can say certifications, highlights. So this is how you should be posting. Okay, so this is some of the posts that I have created. I'm not sure if my LinkedIn profile is what we can say it is so well created or maintained, but yeah, it is giving me results, so I would say it is quite good. So if I see show analytics, so post impression in past 7 days has dropped, followers has increased, uh, profile viewers in past 90 days, so it is like okay. So every time I have some kind of traction on my profile, and I visit LinkedIn daily, not because like it is for branding, but you can learn a lot of things like here. Okay, some kind of I do follow free code camp over here, so system design course. Okay, this is something new. Okay, they have created, so it is a must watch. Go and check it out. System design is one of the very important thing that you need to know about.
Scalability, reliability, data handling. This complete system design tutorial covers scalability, reliability, data handling, and high-level architecture with clear explanations, real-world examples, and practical strategies. Hike will teach you the core concepts you need to.
So you can watch this video, okay, this article. So it is not just a platform to showcase, but also to learn. Okay, so learn what is world doing, what is happening in the community. Okay, I have everything oriented to DevOps. So I have this SSL TLS certificate setup management, so you can check it out. Okay, this is a management in DevOps. Okay, so how would people do some certain things, so you can check them out. Then this kind of I am very intrigued with this kind of animations. I don't know how to, I haven't tried creating it, but yeah, like important components to build a scalable AI agent. So I'm also working in a AI company, so I'm working on mostly like what are the different like Kafka channels, then Nets pipeline. So you can this Neo4j vector database, popular courses on LinkedIn. You can, so it is a very great platform. You should explore it and use it for everything. Then yeah, so update your LinkedIn headline and about section. First of all, this thing, post, you should at least post I would say twice a week, but twice a month is also good if you are delivering you are creating content or you are delivering it very well. So this weekly post, start technical blogs like Medium, Hashnode. Medium is one of the thing, one of the great reference point which I use myself, so it is very good. Create featured posts like my DevOps journey starts here. Okay, so if you can, I don't know if you guys have seen my LinkedIn profile, but here you can find I have like I have so many posts available. Okay. So my latest post is around yeah, this one. Oh, okay, one day. Yeah, yesterday I have posted it. Then it is last week. Uh, yeah, this article is very great. I have read it personally, and for any DevOps engineer that is like any DevOps associate that and that are already working in Kubernetes, working on DevOps and have their own like working on Kubernetes. So you should read this. Okay, you should check this repo. This is a very great content. Like what are the prod issues that we face in Kubernetes? It has very good scenarios, control plane, access level. So you can learn it out. Okay, then there is I have created. Someone has asked me like how to land a internship in DevOps. So I have created a obviously using ChatGPT. I don't have that much of time to build content. I just have provided some of the basic guidelines and use ChatGPT and this Perplexity, Gemini, some multiple AI tools I have used. So you can see like 3 weeks ago, I post almost every week. Then a month ago, then last is a repost, but it is also very intriguing. Okay, interesting thing. Then 2 months ago, 2 months ago, this is yeah, this is also 2 months ago. There are so many. So I continuously like post anything. So we have so many things like we can do so many things over here. We just have to start somewhere. Okay. So this is how weekly post one technical topic and one progress update. Okay, what are you learning, and what is the progress that you have made. Okay, start technical blogs, create featured posts. And this is not just for the DevOps. If you are learning data engineering, if you are learning like full stack, okay, full stack development, data science, then AI engineering, okay, AI ML and everything. So it would be very beneficial to showcase your skills. Okay, if you want to uh, show something. Okay, then we have the like featured post, what need to be done, and host short live sessions, Q&A videos, though recorded if needed. Okay, so I haven't done this, but it is optional. But at least don't just be a content consumer, start producing it. Okay, share final portfolio and tech tools used in communities. Then we have soft skill development. So communication is the key. Okay, communication is the key. I would repeat myself, communication is the key. Unless you have, communication should not be very, what we can say, sophisticated. It should be impactful. Okay, it should be effective. So if you if you are a person of few words, share screenshots, share videos, provide a little caption, and you are done. Okay, don't write huge blogs or essays. Just create a video, just create a simple, take a simple screenshot and apply it. Okay, LinkedIn post, one blog every 3 weeks. So it will improve your writing skills. Okay, 2 minute tool explainer, a simple short YouTube videos. It will like, it will help you to boost your confidence, because there is no one in front of you. Okay, so at that time, if you speak, you can speak in front of thousands of people. Okay, I don't have any stage fear. I have performed on from my college days. I have performed like poetry recital. I don't fear uh, to go into go in go on stage or speak in front of people. Okay, but when I was like a teenager, or when I was like a kid, okay, so at that time I hesitate to speak up. Okay, that time my father and grandfather told me that they are not they are not what we can say, they are not tiger. Okay, people are not tiger, they won't eat you, so speak up. Okay, they are not lion, they are not tiger. So that was their word. So from that point onward, I have started speaking up. Okay, and little by little, I have improved, I have implemented, I have listened. Not just effective communication is not just about saying, not just about expressing, it is also about listening, understanding, processing, and then delivering. Okay, so be an effective communicator. Okay, communication is the key. Then writing LinkedIn post, one blog every 3 weeks, something like that. So now you have Grammarly has helped me a lot. Okay, even a free version would help you like check your grammar and post it. Then you have ChatGPT nowadays. Okay, from 2024 it is like a revolution, and it is getting better day by day. ChatGPT, Gemini, we have this Perplexity, we have Claude. Okay, so you can use any of these tools for writing, but also cross validate your content as well. Okay, like what it is writing. Then there is one of the blog, very interesting blog that I have found. Let me just find it. Just a moment. So this is an article that I read, and I follow it very like for prompt engineering and everything. So it is very helpful for anyone. Okay, so how would you like context, action, result, example. Okay, these are different prompt engineering frameworks. Okay, so race, raid, care. Okay, so you can try it out, and every like which template, try them and compare the result what they are showing. Okay, so it is very good thing. It is a very helpful article. So this is what you can also do. Okay, then moving forward is soft skill development. Writing is already done. Like presentation. Okay, presentation, how would you do? Create presentation. So anyway, anywhere you go, okay, in any companies, or you have to provide something. Okay, you have to present something. Like to be proactive is to propose some ideas, and to propose some ideas are like 5 point, what we can say, a 5 point presentation. Okay, there is 5 slides in that presentation, and you have to like quickly showcase in a crisp and concise manner, okay, yet professional. So presentation is one thing. Collaboration, contribute to open source DevOps tools repo, not just open, not just for DevOps. You can contribute to like there are multiple different, like Mozilla Firefox, okay, it is an open source tool. Apache creates multiple open source tools, okay. Who maintains that? There is a community behind it, okay. Every open source tool have community behind it, so you can use that one, okay. So this is one thing. Then leadership. So document your journey, mentor a peer, write process guides and everything. So these are some of the things that you should be doing. So this is what you should be doing now. Action plan, okay. uh, so these are optional, I would say, optional tools and templates for making it easier for you. So just go here, I have created this template. So it is a weekly tracker, okay. Just copy this or download this particular Notion template, okay, and start committing to it, okay. Like first week, what have you learned? Self reflection, you should be doing this. I have created in Markdown, so you can easily copy it out. Then AWS basics, what you have learned: Docker, Terraform, Kubernetes, Helm, monitoring. So I have like created it for beginners, but if time allows me, what I'll do, I'll keep on updating this, and I'll also follow this also myself, so that I can improve myself, what I have learned, and improve the skills, tools, and technologies. I'll add some of the tooling blogs, okay, tool reviews. So Capstone project, then GitOps, security. You can use. You have like a daily checklist if you really want to get what we can say, a job, okay, or really want to get work, or you are dedicated enough, okay. Watch a video tutorial, whether it be 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, anyway, okay. Watch a video tutorial, or if it is like 10 hours of video, break it down to 10 days, okay, nothing to worry, or 20 days, okay, but learn every day. Watch one video, implement a mini task, just copy it out, okay. Copy what you are seeing in that video, copy it out. Because whenever a little baby starts to talk, okay, it it try to copy the sound, okay, it try to copy the movement, like for walking, okay. So copying is the first step of learning, and then involve your creativity. No one wants a copycat, but once you are what we can say, once you are able to copy it, then use your own imagination to make it a little different. At least change the color of the if you are a full stack developer, or a UI developer, so at least change the color, okay, change the pattern. So use your own creativity. So implement mini task, it is also a checklist item. Then document your learning, okay, Notion or GitHub. Then we have this uh, post one of the insights, okay, end of the day reflection for 15 minutes, okay. So record a video, okay, what like what you have learned from here, just write it down or record it, okay, for a 15 minutes video. Then these are some of the resources. It is very minimalistic resources, but yeah, I'll keep on updating it. Then we have milestone reminder. So share GitHub repo of CI/CD pipeline, publish blog post, okay, post dashboard screenshots of Grafana, okay. Then learning in public, share weekly progress. Learning in public means like uh, you can't go to like any particular college or something, okay. You can obviously if you are a student, but here online learning is one of the things. So what you can do, learn and share on LinkedIn, okay. It is a very good platform. People don't even use it completely, okay. Even I am also not using it completely, okay, because I do not require that much. I'm just okay, I post it somehow, and that is good. So this is share your weekly progress, ask for feedback. I know, uh, I know one thing. uh, I was in college. Okay, I still might be having that particular post with me. It is way back around five, 6 years when I was pursuing my post graduation. I have posted a lot of things like it will take a while to search. Mm, okay, I have searched around around 5 years back. Okay, but I couldn't find it. So I'll just give you a context. I was working on OpenStack Cloud and configuring in a local servers. I have like 4 or 5 small servers with me, and on top of that, I have used this um, VMware ESXi. Okay, and on top of that, I was not VMware ESXi. I was I have I was installing OpenStack on Linux based, yeah, most probably CentOS, yeah, CentOS systems. So at that time I have faced some of the problem. So I just have posted it over here in my LinkedIn profile, and there are people that reached out to me with their suggestions, with the help. Okay, so at that time, obviously, it feels like a very old times, but not. It is not just not only around 5 6 years back. So we there is this Stack Overflow we used to check, and so that is the things. So every time when you do something, ask for feedback. It will, like, there is always someone better than you. Okay, don't think like, okay, be confident like you are the master, you are the maestro, but also you have to check it, like you have to ask for feedback. Okay, then we have like video tutorials for your past self. Okay, then record 1 minute tool explainer, so you can do multiple different things. Okay, so this will boost your confidence, this will boost your communication skills, as well as uh, so soft skills are also very important part. Okay, then what you can do, yeah, for help I have like created one Excel tracker. Okay, so this is an Excel sheet, exactly the same. So what you can copy it. Okay, I have uploaded it over here, Excel tracker. Okay, then LinkedIn post template. So there are like, how could you post it? Okay, so there are multiple different templates that are available. Before after story. Okay, this is how could you create a LinkedIn template for SSH into server, git pull. Then after you have automated it, okay, push to GitHub, then trigger CI/CD Docker image. uh, uh, this is how you can do it. Okay, before after story and result. Then failure and learning, like production database uh, has been deleted. So these are some of the templates for your help. You can just copy it, paste, modify it, and use it. Okay, then I spent like 4 hours debugging a Kubernetes issue. Okay, so Kubernetes is a very vast and well used tool, and it has like countless of applications running on it as of now. But there are, every time you see a new issue. So once you become a Kubernetes administrator, or Kubernetes network administrator, or security administrator, you will know what depth of learning you will achieve from it. Okay, then Kubernetes troubleshooting is a very like, I am it is like a puzzle solving job for me. Okay, then what you have learned, this is a weekly template, like in this particular week I have learned this. Okay, just copy it, paste it, and you can start it. Okay, so what have you learned? Okay, what learned, what are the wins, what are you planning for next week? So I would say like declare what you will do, so it will provide you a sense of commitment. Okay, like I'll do this. So anyway, if you don't do it, at least you would try. Okay, then we have a project showcase. If you have created some project, so how is it working? You can add some of the GitHub repo link. You can add blog, video. Okay, and you can share the tools that you have used in that project. Then tool explainer, what is this tool, what is like what is it used for, what are the use cases. Okay, tool explainer, like yeah, GitHub actions. Okay, it is GitHub actions. It is a short one. You can then Prometheus Grafana that you have built. Okay, so insert like dashboard screenshots and everything. Then weekly update post. Yeah, weekly update post I have like mentioned twice, but yeah, you can weekly learning recap and okay, weekly update. So these are some of the things that you could try it out. Okay, so yeah, this is all from my end for today. Let's see you all in next video. Yeah, one more thing, there is always a place for a uh, skilled professional. Okay, if you are skilled enough, you won't be like you won't be out of the workforce. Okay, and if you are still, there are like there are people who are doing the job, and there are people who are looking for the job, hunting the job. So the only difference between them is uh, those who are doers, they don't like sit idle. Okay, they continuously work on themselves. They there is one book, it is a very interesting and very uh, good book. It has been suggested from one of my previous employer. Okay, my boss. It is the 7 habits of highly effective people. So to be effective. Okay, work on yourself. You have only thing that you have control on is yourself. Okay, what you do. Okay, what you do, what you lack, and what you want. Okay, what is your goal? So it is only about like it is, if you don't have the you don't like your job, but it is important, so either do what you like, or uh, what I would say, just start something, just do like once a week. If you like to play football but you have a job, that is also necessary. Okay, and you don't want, you don't have time to play football, so you have the weekend. Okay, not the weekend, at least once a week, go out, make some friends, and like on every Sunday morning or every Saturday morning, go out, play football, take a swim. Okay, go for a run, go for cycling. It is all up to you. Okay, to be happy and achieve anything. So just start doing. Okay, if you want a job, if you want a job, consider you already, like the power of manifestation, if we say. So behave like you have a job. Okay, behave like you have a job. Like you have to, when you have a job, you have to work work around like um, 8 to 9 hours daily. So at least work on yourself for 6 hours. Okay, 2 hours a day is also, 2 hours of learning is also great. Okay, even 1 hour. And make weekly plans, like I'll achieve this in a week, in this week. Okay, so create short targets, create like short aims, and increase and continuously build on that. Okay, don't try to leap from one step to 10. Take a step, one step at a time. Will definitely progress, and I hope this would be beneficial for everyone. I'll try to follow it myself. I at least do the LinkedIn thing, and my job requires continuous learning, so I do on frequent basis. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. So thank you all. Thanks for your time. Uh, do share like what are your views, or any queries, any doubts, or your feedbacks in the comment section. And see you all in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.